Hello, welcome to our channel. I am Wakesho. Today we'd like to show how you can cook matoke, a traditional East African meal efficiently with the rice cooker. We need, yes, the green bananas, which are matoke, and we are cooking them with potatoes. So I will start by putting on the cooker itself. Now it's on. I have already put oil inside, and you can see you need just a little bit of oil, which would cover the onions that you're using. Okay, now we put inside the onions, and then you close the lid, and then you put on the rice cooker. So now after 3 minutes, we have to check whether the onions are okay. Every time you're not stirring, you close the lid, because with this you save on energy. Yes, as you can see, they are okay. So I distribute them. And then I close the lid again because I'm saving on energy. 2 minutes. You open, so you can see that the onions are starting to become brown. They are cooking. So we add the green pepper. Stir it. Make sure that they are mixed well with the onions. And then after this, we can close the lid again. After 2 minutes, they are okay. So you open up and you see they have cooked. So I stir again a little bit. And then right now I will add the tomato paste. And you can add the tomato paste the way you want, or the way you feel like you want to have, how much tomato paste you can have. So you see here, they are now mixed well. After this, you add the curry. And a pinch of salt. After like 1 minute of cooking, you need now to put the potatoes, because the potatoes comes first before the matokes, because the matokes take little time to cook. First of all, I will add water. 2 cups are enough, depending on how much of matoke you're cooking. And also, to save on energy, you can already put the potatoes inside, so that they can cook while all that is boiling. Okay, you need to stir. After this, just close the lid and then wait for it to boil. So now after approximately 15 minutes, it's already boiling. You can see that there is steam coming out. So you'd like to change from the cook mode to the warm or simmering mode, which is now orange. And for this, for the cook mode, you use 700 watts, and for the warm or simmering mode, you use 40 watts. And so you're saving about 95% of the energy. And overall, when you use this efficient cooker, you will save on 50% of the energy. Yes, after 10 minutes or so, you open the lid, and then you see that it's still cooking. And then you add the green bananas. Ensure that you mix them also well. And then close the lid again. And then now we go back to cook mode. And then after it starts boiling, you return it to warm mode. Now you can see it has boiled. Then you take it back to warm or simmering mode for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then the food will be ready. 20 minutes, you switch off the cooker, and then you open, and as you can see, the matokes are ready.